Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I'm going to make mutton biryani, everybody favorite, and I love it. This is a 500 grams of mutton. How to make and how to mix it, I'll show you. Come, no late, come on. See, now I am starting. My vessel is ready. Now I'm pouring the oil. One thing I want to tell you, that is only tip actually. When you're making, don't use the oils, use only refined oil. Otherwise, you can use the ghee or butter. But I am now using only refined oil. Okay, that is only one small tip. After that, you can use this masalas, dry masalas. Just little while. Shake it. Now, and this is everybody knows bay leaf actually. The fresh one is my garden. So just use this one. This is the onions. Already I cut it and I'll put it all the captions. This one, how much you can use it. This only very important, how you're cutting for the biryani. This is a shape like this only you have to make it. Then only the taste will be, nice. Okay. If you are using little less oil, I like to use less oil only. So have a look like this only, it will come properly. Yeah, this is my biryani's half kg biryani I am using. Close the lid, medium flame. If you are using less oil and medium flame, this is the thing consistency. Just I want to show you. I told you the oil will come, leaves the oil with the onion. Now let become in a brownish color. This is very, very important. The biryani color will come nicely. So that is only one small tips I always tell you. So again, close the lid. If a high flame, because you don't have time, then make it faster. See. Yeah, like this only it has to come properly now. Now only I am adding the mutton like this. Already I soaked it, so I am adding the mutton in this. The vessel you have to keep it like this only, because the water you have to put in there. Now I am adding the Kashmiri chili powder. Again, Kashmiri chili powder, very less because that color. And next, chili powder I am not going to add now, later. Just mix it well. That's all. Close the lid. Chili, yeah. So please, when you people are using, be careful. Yes, now close the lid and medium flame. Yeah, so tomatoes. Now time for, see, nowadays, this is not my garden, how it's coming. But anyhow, okay, like this. Small. Yeah, now take the lid, see the hotness, how it's there. So keep it here, then put it like this. See? Close the lid and high flame. Yeah. Tomato also nicely crushed and it's done. So now close it again, lid, and medium flame only. You have to be careful about when you're making a biryani and you want tasty. Okay, now I'll show you something else. This is the water, yeah, the boil. We have to let boil this one. Okay, have look this one. And you have to take the very thick pan when you're cooking the biryani. So that is very, very important. Yeah. Again close, it's not cooked my mutton. It will take little, at least 10 minutes to cook. Yeah, see, now we are going to add the masala. Oh, aroma coming nicely. So yeah, mix it well. You have to see whether mutton is cooked or not. After that also it will cook because we are putting the rice and all, no? This is only Andhra masala. I am adding this one, wet masala. Okay, now I am adding the masala. Mix it well. That's all. Now after that I add it. This one, now I'm adding the little bit of rock salt. This is good for your health. So this one also. Then I will taste myself. Then I'll see if necessary. I'll add more salt and spice. Not spices, only salt. Just you have to keep it like this and boil. Yeah, this is like this only. You have to boil properly. Yeah, see this one. Yeah, this much only I use the saffron. See. See, like this. Very light. Again, close the lid. Now only we are going to add this rice. This is ready. Make it sim. Now I want to tell you, because of rice, I soaked it for half an hour, and after that wash the rice, then soak it for the half an hour, and don't waste this rice water, because I don't want to lose my nutrition. That is only my this thing. Now you can add the rice like this carefully. You have to mix it slowly. Slowly you have to, very careful. Now I'm going to add my this. This one only dhania. I'll cut it like how my mother used to do it. This is more than enough. I am removing this one. Again, this is the mint leaf, pudina. Pudina also I'm putting. And yeah, this is okay. Again, I'm adding this green chilies, because if you want more chili, then the aroma will come very nicely. Again, you have to mix it like this. Like this only, you have to carefully, not bus. But this is because we are not cooking the rice, no? So that is only one tip. Now we can add the hot water. That's it, yeah, very easy only. This water, I measured the water. Now see the color? See. Because of that saffron, you know, the color will come like this. The aroma, some people will like that one, some doesn't like. So just add the water now. Arey baapre, very, very hot. Very gently you have to mix now. See. You know, yeah, I want to tell you, because every time I'll make the taste and every texture will come very nicely. Then I want to put in the video, I want to tell somebody, I don't know how it will go. But anyhow, okay, I am always very frank. So whatever it may be, just I want to inform you people, okay? See, this masala I don't want to waste nicely. Just do like this. My mouth is watering. My mother used to tell me that is only very tasty, but that time I didn't even realize. Now only I am realizing, yeah, small things actually. Okay. Now let cook, then I'll show. Yeah, now close it. Now let cook, then I'll show you how to do it. See now, carefully you have to mix it. See, have a look. Now I'm going to taste. We are taking this. Like this only, love, I'll taste it. Closing. Now I'm going to add the curd, Ilya. This is the curd. Nicely whisk it properly. When you're adding, make it sim, then add it properly. Yes, that's it. Mix it well. Now just garnish like this. Now close, we'll close this thing now. Okay. I'm cutting the tomato. Yeah. Put like this. Like this. See now, parchment paper I'm using. Again I'm using, I don't want to use this first, so I put that one. Next is like this. And third is like this. Just close it properly. Yeah. Seal it. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Now again I'll close it. I'll show how to do that one. See, now what we have to do, I'll do like this only. Now we have to keep the weight so carefully because that is a glass. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, your biryani is ready. After once it's done, then we can eat and we'll see. That's all. Always you have to, when you're putting like this, make it totally sim. Sim for 10 minutes. After that, switch off the gas and keep it like that only. That is only a small tip when you're doing it. Now we have to switch off the gas over. Then keep it like this only at least 15 minutes. Yeah, then only we can try. Okay. Yes, now my biryani is ready. Come on, yeah, now we'll take it and see. Yes, now see my biryani. Yeah. See the tomatoes and okay. Now we have to do like this. See. See, yeah, now biryani. Now time for the taste my biryani. But everybody is having mouth is watering, I think so. No problem. First I'm going to eat, okay? With the hands only, I love to eat, yeah. Very tasty. Really, I'm telling. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy every single moment with the biryani, okay?